Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.